Alright guys, I'm doing a review of the So Delicious Oat S'mores. And as you can see, here's the ingredients. If you want to read it, it's a gluten-free oat base, and of course it is vegan right there. Alright, nutrient panels right there. So it does contain 21 grams of sugar. Okay, so let's open this up. Alright, here we go. Taste test time. There we go. Well, it's actually quite good. It has that creaminess of like almost like regular ice cream. So, and it has like little bits of like chocolate. I don't see any like too much of some like s'more like graham cracker or anything, but it is sweet though. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos.